Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete transaction history in Taptap Send. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can delete or clear your transaction history in Taptap Send, as Taptap Send system is designed to retain records due to regulatory, security and auditing requirements. As stated in their privacy policy, these transaction records and account logs are maintained electronically and cannot be erased or edited by users. What you can do instead is unsubscribe from email statements. If you don't want monthly or yearly summaries sent to your email support@taptapsend.com to opt out. Then you can also export or download your data. You can manually download or capture your data, then store or erase it on your personal device. You can delete your account. While deleting your account might remove your ability to access this data, Taptap must still retain transaction records until locked. To request full personal data deletion, you can email support through financial history may be still retained. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.